Makita are one of the most popular and well-respected power tool manufacturers in the world. A lot of this is thanks to their 18-volt LXT range, within which there are 300 plus tools and 9 of them are combi drills. Now, whilst the number of options is great, it can get pretty confusing because if you look at some of these, a couple of them can look pretty similar. These tools are an investment, so it is really important that you understand exactly what you're buying. And of course, you want to make sure you're getting the most bang for your buck. When looking at Makita Combis, it is important to look at 3 areas: build quality, motor, and power output. Judging a Makita Combi on these 3 areas helps us to judge the quality of the tool and can put them into groups. You've got your entry level, your general duty, and your heavy duty. Now, this is going to be a lot of information, so before we get started, grab a drink, a snack, and enjoy a few words from our sponsor. Oh, it's us. It's a bit of a cop-out, but anyway, the Makita Superstore is now here. It is your new home of all things Makita, with reviews, buying guides, latest deals and offers, and so much more over at its.co.uk. So check it out. It's the Makita Superstore, your new home of all things Makita. Now, if we're looking at entry level, the DHP 453 Combi drill does exactly that. It is essentially built with DIY in mind. This is a low-end, low-cost option for people that want to own a Makita Combi but don't necessarily need something to take a beating on a job site. It can deliver up to 42 Newton meters of torque with 16 torque settings, and in terms of quality, it has a 2-speed gearbox in a plastic housing as well as a plastic chuck and a brushed motor. And then we have our general duty Makita Combi drills. These are the ones that can get the job done on site and can pick up a knock or two. Now, they do all feature plastic gearbox casing and plastic chucks because you won't really need the metal until you're running into your higher end applications. These all have certain stronger qualities than others. A couple of them are brushless and a couple of them aren't, but the ones that are brushless, it means that you're getting less maintenance and longer run time out of your drills. That said, they are all around the same in terms of power, ranging from 40 Newton meters to 60 Newton meters of torque. The standout from this group is definitely the Makita DHP 482. It is one of the most popular combi drills on the market, and it's clear to see why. It cuts out all of the fluff and the luxuries and gives you exactly what you need from a combi. This is the most powerful of your general duty combi drills because this can give you a max torque of 60 Newton meters. This is the perfect combination of power and value. Now let's look at the heavy duty models. These are for your higher end applications, and these can pack a serious punch. This is where you'll find your stronger build of tools with your metal gearbox casing and metal chucks. There is a larger range of powers from these higher end combis. You've got the DHP 458 here, which can deliver a max torque of 91 Newton meters. And then you've got this, the DHP 486, which can deliver 130 Newton meters. That level of torque isn't far off from your industry standard impact drivers, so you know that with these combi drills, you are getting maximum power.